Welcome judges. This is my smart backpack. Welcome judges. This is my smart backpack.
Are you wondering from where the voice is coming?
Yes, this voice is coming from this bag.
But how is this possible?
This bag is having Bluetooth in it.
Good morning, judges.
I am Bhargavi Joshi.
And I am Harshika Panpalia. We are from Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir Shri Krishna Nagar, Nagpur. This is our smart backpack. This is useful for many tasks in our day-to-day lifestyle.
Another feature tackled in this bag is this load sensor. This load sensor acts as a load barrier, and it measures the weight of the bag. When we attach the battery, it can measure the weight.
Load sensor is an electronic device which converts the compressional force into corresponding electrical charge.
This bag shows the weight.
Weight is displayed on this screen.
It is showing the weight right now, and the weight is 148.4 grams.
This battery is attached to the bag.
Another feature is GPS tracker and SOS button. The GPS tracker can track the location of the child and SOS button can be pressed when the child is
Feeling unsafe.
unsafe.
This battery is connected to the bag, and this not only charges the bag but also charges other devices too.
The bag has LED lights in it. These can be used to prevent accidents at night time. This bag is having Bluetooth, which can be connected to any device.
It helps to find the lost bag if the bag is lost.
This bag is also having a foldable stool. If there is no place, elder people can take help of the stool and sit on it. And these GPS tracker and SOS button are the safety purpose of it, and LED, Bluetooth, LED and weight sensor are some digital features of it. And it has a foldable seat, which is a physical feature. This bag is a chest of resources which has many features in it. Then the weight sensor is attached to the bag at the top of its at the top handle. Weight of the bag it weights the bag when it is lifted, and weight is displayed on the screen. In Bluetooth helps to find the bag when it is lost and can be used for entertainment.
We can use this bag if we want to travel or we are going for the picnic.
And these are all the locations of all the features in this bag. This bag is user friendly and can be used by people of any age group.
Thank you.